guys? They were playing Roblox Russet Suits. For today, I'm going to teach you how to have a house in Roblox or designing it. And I will teach you how to have a glitch. So first, get your car, any car you want. I have got a Monarch. Then spawn it. There you go. Oh my god, it's so lag. Shit. There you go. Please don't lag. This is a laggy. I will pause this. First, we will have a house designing. I have my house, the simple mansion. We will spawn it. First, you will find a place to spawn the house, or the villa, or anything else. What do you want? Just spawn my house right here. The other side. Oh no, they're full. Please, oh my god. It's full. What I'm going to do? Go back. Oh god, my skin is itchy. Oh, I think here's a place. Yes, here. I think here we're gonna spawn our house. Import save house. Go there. It's my simple mansion house. Let's see. Let me know in the comment section if my house is cool or not. Let me know. Where is the living room? I'm not done yet because my money is just 800 pesos. There you go. There. Open the lights. Just open. No. Open. This is the girls' room. This is the bathroom. This is the other house for my sis or son. My brother. It's not open. Open it. There you go. I will read this maybe someday. Finishing this out. Look at that. So beautiful. It's big. Simple mansion. Now I'm going to teach you how to have a glitch. Oh, it's not open. First, we're gonna do is buy anything. Like TVs, like that. First, you're gonna buy a TV or anything else. I'll just buy a TV because it's a lot of cost. Then go to your house. Outside it. Then there's a two rule here. First, you will gonna left. I'm not gonna left because it is a short way, so I'm not going to left. But if you left, it was a cool. But I'm gonna use the short way. Remember, watch all of this before you do this. Go to the side of the clothes store, behind the playground, the brown apartment. Here. wrong side. There. Go there, and I'm getting my car there. There you go. Now simply go here, and then after it, go to your phone. Then go to your my house, demolish it, press OK, and then buy a for sale. Press it. It costs money. After it, go to the you don't have any house. Spawn it again. But this has been a tricky one. Some people do not do this because it's tricky. But I will teach you. Oh, there you go. There's no house anymore. Yay. A tricky one. First, put your mouse, go down, and then put it, and then press sell, and then double click it. There you go. Now you have your house with your TV. See your TV. Your TV, and then oh, there you go. You have your own TV. Look, press Q. Now sell it. There. Now I have 2,000 money. Yay. That's how to glitch it. So we will do it one times again. Here you go. Oops. Let's go back to the apartment. The brown apartment. And then do it. What do you do? Do what I do. Demolish. First demolish. Buy a house. Oh, there you go. And then sell the apartment. And then double click it to double click the sell one, and then press the grass. So I will press it again. Point your mouse down, then scroll it, then sell house, double click. There you go. Oh no, I'm inside house. Yes, I am inside house. There's TV1. And then it's not giving me TV. Hello, hi. Why is it giving me? Come on. The glitch don't work again. Oh god. The glitch don't work again. Oh, I think we just need to left. So guys, this is the end of the video. I hope this helped for you. And then I will see you guys next time. Bye. And